What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm I'm cleaning my K&N air filter. My vehicle is 66,616. So my air filter of my Kia Sedona 3.3 liter engine GDI. If you guys facing to the vehicle, this one's located here. There's a two tab that you need to pull this out, one and the other side. So this is my K&N filter. The day that I got my vehicle, I decided to buy a K&N instead of getting a Wix. Before, when I changed my air filter, I used a Wix. That one, it cost more than $23. I got it from Orson. Instead of buying an air filter made by Wix, that it costs $22 to $23, I'll got a K&N. When I put 10,000 miles to my vehicle, and I look at my air filter, a little bit dirty. So until I reach 15,000. So after I reach 15,000, after I blow the air, the wicks looks like dirty, need to be replaced. Since 15,000 miles, now my vehicle is 66,000 miles. I got this. Look at the inside. The inside is still good. See? Still good. Not dirty. But if you look at the outside, this one is dirty. So I need to use my charging K&N oil and the cleaner. The kit that I got it before, I'm going to use it right now. So this is the K&N recharger kit, air filter cleaning kit. I got this from eBay. I was lucky that it was clearance when I got this. I got this only for $20. And you can buy this also from Amazon. I don't know how much it costs. But this is my old stock. I got this since 2018. Now I still have it. I never use it because I thought that this K&N filter, after I use for 10,000 miles, this one can clog. But right now, yes, I need to clean it up. You see all those debris, all those dirt. This is the outer and that's the inner. The inner looks good, but I need to spray the cleaning solution. So these are the charger kit. This one is the air filter cleaner, and this is the oil, and this is the oil. There are a lot of people that are using different oil. For those people that are so cheap, sometimes they use flower oil or sunflower oil. I don't know, but the way I look at it online and find the right answer, if the sunflower oil is good for the air filter, they said that it can clog your air filter. That can lead to damage your lifetime air filter. This is reusable, so I better use this one, the oil that I got from the red oil. But I've seen some people, they use a Marble Mystery oil. Probably you can use that as well, but I'm not recommending to you guys. But they have the same red oil. I don't know, never tried it before, but I'm gonna use this one right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray it. I'm gonna spray it outside first, and then I'm gonna spray inside. So that's the outside. I'm gonna spray it right now. I'm gonna spray this Power Clean air filter cleaner. Spray it outside first. Spray it horizontal. I'm gonna spray it vertical. After you spray that, you need to spray also the inside. The chemical solution, it smells so bad. It smells like an ammonia. I don't know what kind of a chemical solution they use for this. I already spray it, let it sit for 15 minutes, and then after that I'm gonna wash it using my garden hose. Well, I cannot see the chemical ingredients they use for this cleaner, but there's a reminder at the back for those few people who breathe the mist spray. You need to wash thoroughly your hand, and then yeah, you can see the back of the spray bottle. I only spray minimal amount, but I can still use this probably more than 50 or 70 times. But as well, what I said, once you clean your air filter, you are able to use it for another additional 50,000 miles to charge it again, to clean it up. This one is a good product. K&N is the best. I have a good result for this. Instead of buying a Vicks that it cost me $22 to $23 before, and I got that from Orson. So now my filter is standing to the side, and I'll let it sit for 15 minutes. 15 minutes already passed through. I'm gonna use the shower setting through my garden hose. So that is the inside. So I'm gonna spray it inside, not the outside. So I'm gonna spray it here. So this is the that's the outside, and that's the inside. So I'm gonna spray it the inside. Wow, you see the big difference. Now the red color dye, it's already been removed. Very nice, very clean. Look. Look at that. Don't use the pressurized water. This garden hose spray, I set the shower, and this will be okay. Doesn't create any too much pressure to the filter. The filter mess, it has a screen, and it's a reusable. Look at that. Wow. See? There's a little bit red dye to that side, so I'm gonna spray it again down there.
No, don't spray it.
Gonna spray down there. I'm gonna do horizontal, horizontal first, and then I'm gonna do the vertical spray.
That's one of Chrissy guys. I'm going back.
This one's already clean, as you see. All I need to do, just leave it to the under the sun, probably 30 minutes or 1 hour or so, with the 105 degrees Fahrenheit Las Vegas temperature. And after that, I'm gonna use my charging oil made by K&N. So I'm gonna leave it here first, leave it under the sun. Okay, that's how you guys clean your K&N. And then later on, once it dry, I'll come back within 30 minutes or 1 hour or so, and then I'm gonna use my charging oil made by K&N. After an hour or so, it's already been dry, as you see. Now I'm gonna use this air filter oil, this rechargeable red oil. I'm gonna use it right now. This one, it is a 237 ml, including with the charging cleaner. I got this up from eBay. I believe I got it in 2018. I bought it for $18 only. Not more than 20. I believe it's $18 if I'm not mistaken. So what I need to do, I'm gonna do the horizontal first. Let me check. So this is the red oil. It seems to me that the red oil probably, I'm not sure, but I cannot recommend you guys if you guys will use the Marble Mystery Oil, but I've seen some of people. So you need to charge it like that. Let it soak. Looks like Marble Mystery Oil to me, but I'm not sure if it's a Marble Mystery Oil. Make sure that you will soak it properly. This one you can use this up to 65 to 70,000 miles without recharging the oil and cleaning it up. As what I said, I got my minivan. So when I reach 15,000, I change my filter. Before I use wicks, now I decided to use this Marble Mystery, this K&N. Well, as you see, I'm almost up with the filter. So as you see, I'm almost done putting an oil. So I consume almost a quarter of the container. I already covered the whole outside of the filter. Now I'm gonna charge or recharging the inside of the filter as well. So you see the pleats, there are some pleats or screen filter that not been covered. This is the back, so I need to recharge it as well. Make sure that I cover everything here. There it is. So now I almost consume more than half a barrel. So the remaining barrel that I have is about here. Okay. So the next time that I'm going to recharge this, I probably use, I improvise it. Either I use Marble Mystery Oil to save me tons of money, or either transmission fluid oil. So that's the remaining. That's the excess.
That looks like
Now it's already been included. That's been covered. Everything. Now I'm. This one is okay. You need to dump a clean towel. So you need to clean it up. Remove the excess oil. Same thing with the other side. Clean it up the side. Now this one is ready for use. I'm gonna put it back this to the air filter housing. Alright guys, I'm gonna place this back. I'm gonna open this the housing. This is the filter. Dump it. Now it's already been covered with the red oil. I remove all the excess oil to the side. Now this one is ready for use. This is how you guys will put or place it back, this filter. Now this one is ready for use. There it is. So I'm done. That's how you guys will clean your K&N filter using the K&N recharging kit that I got from eBay. I got it probably for $20. So I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. Till next time guys, may you guys have a wonderful day today. If you guys found my YouTube channel helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. May God bless you all. Kindly share, subscribe to my channel. May God bless you all. Bye for now. God bless. I'll catch you guys there for my next video. Bye for now.